Today I have called one of my student to share her success story with all of you. She is here. Jaishree, you can talk about your success story. Go ahead.
Hi Manish, how
Hello.
are you?
I'm good.
It's great connecting with you after a long time.
Any change in me from last 3-4 months?
Not 3 4 months. It's 2 months.
2 months, okay.
Actually, our batch got over on May 27th,
Oh, okay.
June and July.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Talk about your success story.
Yeah. So yesterday only I got offer from Emphasis Manish, and 2 months I have given more than 9 or 10 interviews. And in all the interviews, I got whatever you are highlighting in the classes. Those questions only I was getting in interviews. And some of the questions from Cucumber framework also. And mainly on string programs, whatever you are telling, in particularly that reversing a string that is asked in most of all the interviews,
Mm-hmm.
and array programs
Mm-hmm.
and collection programs. And you were telling that it is very important to differentiate between list and set. So that
Mm-hmm.
question is asked in every interview. So it was good. And some of the interviews they asked me to write the XPath for particular element. And in one emphasis interview, they asked me to open the mobiles, search the mobiles in Amazon, and you just given the one assignment that using the class we have to locate all the elements at a time, and based on the index we have to take the elements like that. So they asked me to at a time you have to locate all the mobiles that is displaying in a single page. So I was like, oh, it is taught
Oh
by
my
Manish.
God. This was like
Yes,
what I
yes,
have
yes.
done.
Yes, yes. Whatever we have done in the classes, those questions only asked in the interview. So I was like, yeah, it is great connect joining your courses and achieving this achievement. Really, it's a very good phase of my career, I can say.
Wow. Career hike. How much hike you got?
I got 65% of hike, Manish.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's great.
yeah.
That's really great. How many years of experience you had when you joined the course?
I was having 4 years of experience, four
Mm-hmm.
plus years of experience, and completely into manual only.
Hmm.
And now I have selected as a automation engineer
Hmm.
and starting career as automation engineer.
Feeling proud?
Yeah,
That's great, Jaishree.
yeah.
I'm really happy
And
for you.
credit goes to you only, Manish.
I don't know how many credit I should hold on my shoulder.
Yes,
So
you deserve that.
that's really great.
Yeah.
From last 3 days, I think I discussed with almost 10 students who have got a job in last few days.
Oh.
So
Then I was like, I will be getting job or no. Like in that confusion only I was. So last day you said market is open now, so you guys try hardly, you will get
hmm,
succeed. Like that, your motivation makes us to try hard, and finally we got achieved that one.
that's really great, Jaishree.
Yeah.
That's really great. Anything you want to let them know that I mean, uh, tell them that if they don't do cross KT, what will happen? If they don't write exams, what will happen? Just tell them once. I have said them multiple times.
Yes.
It is just their eighth class today, but
Okay.
I'm trying to give them as many tablets possible at the starting of the
Yes.
batch so that
Yes,
after
Manish.
having that tablet, they become stronger, right?
Yes, Manish.
Please tell them once from your mouth also. I have said
Yeah.
from my end, but I
Yes.
don't know whether they have understood it or not. Please go ahead.
Yes, Manish. From day one, you were telling to do assignments and attend the exams and do the cross KTs. We are not aware of what is the cross KT and what is the advantage of doing that cross KT. So after a week, I joined for a cross KT. And what happens? You will be going with the forward syllabus. But whatever we are learning before, that will be like we can't alone read. So that's why cross KTs help us a lot to discuss all the concepts. So whatever we are doubtful in any syllabus, so we can discuss with our co-batchmates, and we can easily sort out that. While doing the project also, we have done the cross KTs, and while doing the assignments also, we have connected with our batchmates, and it was really helpful. So to discuss with others, and to get the knowledge of their thinkings and their understanding also, and it helped us lot. And assignments, whatever we are solving in assignments, those questions are only coming into interviews, most of the programs. For example, reversing a string, and in a given string, how many alphabets are there, how many digits are there, and some array programs, and that upcasting linked list to list. So that all programs were asked in the interviews. Nothing like that. It is out of syllabus is asked in the interview, except the Cucumber framework. So
Got it.
everything was taught in your in classes, Manish. So I suggest everyone to do each and every assignment, and attend the exams, and do the cross KT. That is very important.
That's great. That's great. Jaishree, one final question from my side.
Yeah, Manish.
In my 4 months of course, how
Yeah.
many classes you attended without camera?
Not a single class, Manish. I was in on camera daily,
Hmm. That's great. That's great.
and
Just
hardly I have missed 2-3 classes in 4 months. I have
that's great.
not missed even classes also.
That's great. That's great. That's great. That's really great. Guys, any one of you want to ask any question from her before she leaves? Anyone have any question?
Yeah, I do have a question. First of all, congratulations, Jaishree. And
Thank
my
you.
question is like, if you have a career break of like, if your job is finished, and if you have a career break of 3 to 4 months, what effect does it have on an interview?
4 months is not a big deal in a career gap, but it is considered after 1 year, 2 years gap is considered, but 4-5 months is not a big deal. You can deal with that. That will not be a big deal.
Thank
Even
you,
I
thank you,
have a career break of 5 months from my previous employer and current employer, so that is considered.
thank you.
Yeah, Raja.
Hi, Jaishree.
Jaishree,
Hi.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I want to ask, like, you have a 4 year of experience, right? So, maximum questions where you get like Java or automations, like.
Jaishree, you're on mute.
Yeah.
By mistake, I muted you.
Yes, yes. Interviewers, it's based on the mentality of interviewer. Sometimes they will be asking more into a Java, and sometimes more into a Selenium. But whatever they are asking now, everything is covered by Manish. And in Java, it is mainly string functions, array functions, and OOPS concepts. That part will be asked most of the times. And in Selenium, actions class, and how to handle drop downs.
They
And
have only completed 7 classes, so
okay,
they
okay,
don't know.
okay, Manish.
Hmm.
So
I
they
will be
will
giving
ask.
you one Google Sheet, Jaishree. You can write down
Okay.
all the questions that were asked to you
Yes, sure, Manish.
so
I
that I
will.
can share with my upcoming students and even
Okay.
with them.
Sure, Manish. Not only emphasis, whatever I have attended, all the questions I will share with you.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Jaishree, how many hours you give in a day?
So it was like my working hour was 10 to 7. So
Mm-hmm.
our classes were at 6:30. From 6:30 to 9:30, 10:30, we have extended. And while doing the last projects, we have done up to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Cross categories were going on till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. We sit together
So
in a
sometime you
Google.
have sat for 6 hours continuously as well.
Yes, Manish. While
Hmm.
doing the project and while doing some assignments, we have stretched.
That's great. Yeah.
I
Yeah,
have
Harjit.
Yeah. So firstly, congratulations, Jaishree, for your job.
Thank you.
And so I have a question. Like, did they ask you about to explain TestNG framework, or like did they ask the questions from TestNG? Like, what they have
Yes,
asked?
they will ask like which framework you are working. Explain me your framework structure and all like that. So we can easily say that we are working on a test ng using POM concept and data-driven. Manish has taught us data-driven testing also. So I have explained based on that only. And we have done the 2 projects also at the end of the course. So I was having the knowledge of how to create a framework, how framework will be done, and how the Excel file will be, data from the Excel sheet will be accessed in our project. So everything was done in project 1 and project 2. So it was easy to crack the interviews. So they will not get like she's not having automation testing knowledge or practical knowledge. They didn't get us, so that we can easily crack that interview. But you have to dedicatedly do that project 1 and project 2. So entire thing will be covered in that one. Our Java will be covered, Selenium will be covered, and TestNG framework will also be covered, and listeners class. So whatever entire course will be covered, that all concepts will be covered by project 1 and project 2.
Okay, and I have one more question. Like as you said that you have more than 4 years of experience, right? So
Yeah.
currently I have more than 5 years of experience into the manual testing. So sometimes when I got the get the call for automation, so they at least require more than like 2 or 3 years of experience in the
Yes.
automation. So like have you ever been faced like for 4 years of experience, like how much minimum experience you need for the automation interview?
Yes. I have also put in my resume only. I have put 2 years of experience in automation testing. So sometimes they asked, yes, overall 4.10 years of experience you are having in relevant experience. They asked. So we can say that 2 years of experience we are having. If you are having 5 years, then you can put 3 years of automation testing.
Okay.
And you have to do the hard work to get that 3 years
Yes.
of experience in this course. That's what I
Definitely.
mean.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful and important information. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Jaishree.
Okay, Manish.
I'm pretty sure they have really got motivated.
Yes, hope
Thank you
so.
so much. Thank
Okay,
you so
Manish.
much.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so
Bye-bye.
much. Bye,
Bye.
Manish.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye. Congratulations.